Welcome to the Climate Water Outlook for July to September 2021. Above average rainfall is likely over most of Australia in the coming months, but first we'll look at recent conditions. Cold fronts brought significant rainfall to southern Australia in June, including a later than usual autumn break for some agricultural regions of South Australia and southwestern Victoria. Destructive winds caused extensive damage through central Victoria over the 9th and 10th of June, with many trees down. And East Gippsland experienced major flooding after heavy rainfall. June days were warmer than average in tropical northern Australia and in the southeast, although cooler in western parts of Western Australia due to clear skies and reduced rainfall. Soil moisture remains above average for parts of Western Australia and the southeast, but is below average for much of the country, including some agricultural areas. Many water storages across southern Australia have started filling in June. Storages in both the North and South Murray-Darling Basin are higher than they were last month. Storages in the South Australian Gulf and Southwest Coast have also increased. So, what will influence our climate in the coming months? It's looking increasingly likely that we'll have a negative Indian Ocean Dipole or IOD event this year. A negative IOD often brings above average winter-spring rainfall to parts of southern Australia. Warmer ocean temperatures to the north and northwest of Australia may also increase moisture available to be drawn into rain systems crossing the country. So, what does this mean for the outlooks? July to September is likely to be wetter than usual over most of Australia, except in Western Tasmania and coastal areas of the southeast. As it is the dry season in northern Australia, rainfall totals don't need to be high to be considered above average. Near median or high stream flows are expected at most forecast locations for June to August. The next forecast will be issued on the 12th of July. Looking at temperatures, July to September days are likely to be warmer than average in the north and parts of the south. Overnight temperatures for July to September are likely to be warmer than average. So in summary, July to September is likely to see an increased chance of a negative IOD event developing, above average rainfall in most parts, warmer than average days in northern Australia and parts of the south, with near median and high stream flows at most locations. Thanks for joining us. You can find out more about the outlooks on our website. We'll see you next time.